Hey everybody, it's Anna. Welcome back to my Fluid Art channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Merry Christmas. My setting is a little bit different today. I will not be painting for you. This past week has been busy doing all kinds of Christmas related things with my family. In fact, the closest thing to Fluid Art has been decorating sugar cookies. But that is okay. And here with me to wish you all a Merry Christmas is my family. So come on, guys. And everyone would like to say just a little something to you. Lauren?
I hope you have friends over for Christmas.
Hope you have a wonderful Christmas. May this festive season bring good tidings of great joy.
Thanks for supporting Anna's channel. Merry Christmas.
Absolutely. And we have a little song for you. Ready, guys?
Mm-hmm.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring of fluid painting. Good tidings of Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye guys, see you next year.
Bye.